my dear third class children. Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of numbers. In this chapter, we learned addition process. Okay. First of all, addition means we combine two or three numbers or two or more numbers together. That is called addition. The result of addition is called total. Plus C symbol for addition. Next, addition facts. Number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same total. We get the same answer. That means the number does not change. Second one, number plus 1 or 1 plus number, the total is yes, after number of the given number. Third one, we add 2 or 3 numbers in any order. In any order means left to right or right to left or up to down or down to up. We get the same result. That is called commutative property of addition. Okay? Once again, number plus 0, same number. Number plus 1, after number of the given number. When we add 2 or more numbers in any order, the result does not change. That property is called commutative property of addition. In this chapter, you learned adding 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. Okay? And 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Today I am going to continue 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay? First I am going to revise whatever you learned about addition in previous classes, means the starting of second chapter. Okay? 3-digit numbers 100 to 999. 4-digit numbers 1000 to 999. First of all, I am going to show 3-digit number, 2 lines, 3-digit number 3 lines without grouping and with regrouping. Okay? Plus C symbol for addition. What is called result of addition? Total. When we combine 2 or more numbers is called addition. Okay, Nana? Come on, let us see whatever you learned in the previous class, starting of addition numbers. First, adding of 3-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. Come on. First one, 352 plus 430. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In every addition, we start addition from right side. That means first adding ones column numbers, then go to tens column, next go to hundreds column. Start number plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2. Now tens, take 5 fingers, 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens, write in the tens place. Now come to hundreds place. Take 3 fingers, 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Write in the hundreds place. What is the total? 782. This is going to, yes, without regrouping. Very good. Second one. 146 plus 420 plus 203. 3 lines, 3-digit number. Here also add the numbers, start from ones place. Come on, 6 plus 0 plus 3. No need to add 0. Start from 6. Take 6 fingers, 3 after, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 right in the ones place. Now adding tens, 4 plus 2 plus 0. No need to add 0. Add these 2 numbers only. Take 4 fingers, 2 after, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 right in the tens place. Now adding hundreds. 1 plus Yes, very good. 5. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after. 6, 7. 7 right in the hundreds place. Now what is the total? 769. After adding the given numbers column wise, we get the answer. That answer is called total. Another example. Ready now? Come on. 456 plus 327. Start from ones place. Next go to tens. Next go to hundreds. Come on. What is the first number in the one? 6. Take 6 fingers. 7 after. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a 2-digit number. Okay, after adding ones, we get 2-digit number. Right side and split the number. That means separate tens and ones. Ones place number right in the ones place. Tens place number carry to tens place. This is carry forward number. First adding these two numbers. Next go to this number. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 6 after 7, 8. 8 tens. Now come to hundreds. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Right in the hundreds place. The total goes to 783. When after adding ones, we get 2-digit number. We split the number, carry forward the next place. That means left side. This is called addition of, yes, regrouping. Here regrouping to ones to tens. Ones to tens. Look at the another example. Have you understood the concept? Okay, now. Another example. 278 plus 434. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Come on, start from ones. Take 8 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, addition of with regrouping. We get 2-digit number. This is called addition of with regrouping. 2 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now we having 3 numbers in the tens place. 1 plus 7 plus 3. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. Again we get 2-digit number. Right side. Again split the number. This one right in the tens place. This one carry forward to tens left column hundreds. That's why we carry this number to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 710. This is going to addition of, yes, with regrouping tens to ones. Okay, ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Sorry, with regrouping ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Okay, here we get 2-digit number. We split the number. Ones number here, tens number carry forward. After adding tens, again we get 2-digit number. Again split the number means we separate tens and ones. This number right here, this number carry forward to hundreds place, left side. Then adding hundreds and right. Next one. Another example. $178 plus 270 plus 56. Yes, 3-digit number, 2-digit number. ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See 56, so 5 tens and 6 ones. That's why we write this number in the tens column, in the ones column. First adding ones, yes, take 8 fingers, 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in the mind, take 6 fingers, 15 after 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 1 right in the ones place, 2 carry forward to tens place. 2 carry forward to tens place. Now adding tens place numbers. 2 plus 7, take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. 9 in the mind, 9 plus 1, 10. Very good. Take 5 fingers, 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 right in the tens place, 1 carry forward to hundreds place. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. No hundreds number. Third number having no hundreds. That's why add these 3 numbers. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Right in the hundreds place. We get the total 451. Another example. This is also with regrouping ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Another example. Are you understood? Okay. 367 plus 218 plus 150. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Come on. 367 plus 218 plus 150. Start from ones. Start from here. First adding these 2 numbers. 7 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. Number plus 0, same number. Here we get 2-digit number. Split the number. That means separate tens and ones. Ones number right in the ones place. Tens number carry forward to tens place. Now adding 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5. 1 plus 6, 7. Very good. 7 plus 1, 8. Very good. 8 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now 3 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Very good. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Right in the hundreds place. This is adding 3 numbers with regrouping. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Next, 4-digit number. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. What are 4-digit numbers? Thousands. 4-digit numbers start with thousands. 1000 to 9999. Okay? Come on. Examples. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Addition of 4-digit numbers. Read the number. Come on, read. What is the first number, Nana? 3453. That means this is ones, this is tens, these are hundreds, these are thousands. 3453. Second number, 2015. 4-digit number addition also similar to 3-digit number. That means start from ones place. 3 plus 5. Very good. 8. 8 ones. 5 plus 1. Yes. 6 times. 4 plus 0. 0. Oh, sorry. 4. 400s. 4 plus 0. 4. Next thousands. 3 plus 2. 5. Now tell me what is the total. After addition we get one number. This is called total. 5468. Is it with regrouping? regrouping. Without regrouping, we get ones numbers only in all the columns. Okay? Next one. Next example. 6005 plus 3904. 3994, not 4. First number is 6005. Second number is 3994. Start from ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 4-digit numbers. 5 plus 4, 9. Very good. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. Now adding thousands. 6 plus 3, again 9. Very good. What is this number? 9999. It is the greatest 4-digit number. Another example. Another example. Read the number. Come on, what is the first number? Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Start reading from thousands. 4368. What is the second number? 5201. Start addition from ones. 8 plus 1, 9. Very good. 6 plus 0, 6. Very good. Now adding hundreds. 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. Now adding thousands. 4 plus 5, 9. Very good. What is the total? 9569. This is addition of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. Another example. Ready now? Again 4-digit numbers. Thousands, hundreds, tens. 2005, 3403, 1251. See, 3 lines, 4-digit numbers. First number, second number, third number. Start from ones. 5 plus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Write in the ones place. Now adding tens, zeros. Leave. Write same number. 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 4, 4. 4 plus 2, very good, 6. Now adding thousands. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Very good. What is the total? 6659. This is addition of 4-digit number, 3 lines without regrouping. Okay. Now we are going to addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Are you ready? Follow me. Come on. Examples. Addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Are you ready? Similar to addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping. 4-digit means 4 places. Very good. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. All are going to additions. Add the following or find the total, find the sum or add. All are going to addition. What is the symbol for addition? Plus. Are you ready? Come on. 5348 plus 2273. Same process. Adding ones. Take 8 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 means this is going to with regrouping. 1 right in the ones place. Carry this one forward to tens place. That means right above 4. Now in the tens place we 5. Very good. Take 7 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 right side. Again regrouping. 12 right, 2 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds column numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Now come to thousands. 5 plus 2, 7. Very good. What is the total? 7,621. This is going to addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Ones to tens, tens to hundreds. Another example. Are you understood? Okay, very good. Super. Again, put the places. 2,759 plus 3,607. Same process. Adding ones. Take 9 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right side. 6 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. That means right above 5. Now adding tens. 1 plus 5, 6. 0 means no need. 1 plus 5, 6. Now come to hundreds. 7 plus 6. Take 7 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right side. 3 right in the hundreds place. 1 carry forward to thousands place. The carry number move to left side column. Now adding thousands. 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Right in the thousands place. The answer goes to 6,366. Addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Next example. I think you all are understood. If you are practicing in your rough notes, you get perfect in addition. Okay? Come on. Another example. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 6,727 plus 2,890. Same process. Start from 1. 7 plus 0, 7. Now 2 plus 9. 9 after 10, 11. 1 right in the tens place. Another 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 8 fingers. 8 plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right 16. 6 right in the hundreds place. 1 carry forward to left side means thousands place. Right above 6. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 7 after 8, 9. Here with regrouping. Yes. Come on. Tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands. This is going to addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Another example. Very easy. 3,058, 2,715, 1,340. See how many lines? 3 lines. First number, second number, third number. First line, second line, third number. Put the symbol plus. Same process. Start from ones. 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 right in the tens place. This 1 carry forward to hundreds place. 1 plus 7, 8. Very good. Take 3 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11. Again 2-digit number. This one write in the hundreds place. This one carry forward to thousands place. Now adding thousands. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. What is the total? 7,113. This number goes to adding ones. This number goes to adding tens. This number goes to adding hundreds. That means addition of 4-digit numbers with regrouping ones to tens, tens to hundreds, hundreds to thousands. We are going to carry forward number here and add that number also. Understood? Addition of 4-digit numbers, 3 lines with regrouping. Okay, my dear children. Learn tables and practice all types of additions in rough notes. Okay? Learn tables. Don't forget the tables. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.